We have seen void and non-void function. Void function not returning any value is known as void function, and function which is returning any value is known as non-void function. Now let us see another kind of void and non-void function. Now see here in this program, the same program I have written, but here in this you see in this step I have written return. Okay, what will be the program? Program will start from here: x equals to 10, y equals to 20, z equals to sum x y. Then for getting the value of this sum x y function, we are going ahead to first step. Here x y argument is passing value to the parameter a b. Already we have the value, and this value we are passing to parameter a b. Now c equals to a plus b, and we are printing c, and here it is written return, but after return nothing is given. Means what we are going to return from this, it is not defined. Okay, so in this kind of function we may use return, but it may give none or not any value to the function call. So it is also a void function. It is a void function, but it is not returning any value. You don't get confused that return is written already here, so it will be non-void function. No, return is written here, but it is not returning any value. It is not returning any value. Nothing is defined here. So by doing all this process, what will be the result? Result will be 30. When we will calculate c equals to a plus b, print c. Because of this line print c, we are getting the result 30, and again it is given return, but it is not returning any value. So in output it will come none. When it is given somewhere but not returning any value, it will give the output none. Okay, so it is also one of the kind of void function. Now let us see one more non-void function. Here define SCA, return a asterisk 2, a asterisk 3. This program will start from this line: n equals to input, integer input, means user is giving any of the integer which will be stored on n. Then here you see two letters are written, S and C. So for getting this two letters result, we have to move ahead to this function scn. Now the program will again go to the first step here, and whatever will be the argument n, it will pass to the parameter a. Now this parameter is returning, not just returning a single value of a, it is returning the square of a. Okay, and here it is returning the cube of a. You know already about this line. Okay, so here it is returning the square of a, and here it is returning the cube of a. And by returning this, again return is written here, so this will pass to the main body of function. This is the main body of function. So a square 2 will be passed to the s, okay, here in this line, and a cube it will be passed to the c. Okay, so by using this function we are getting the two result: one a square, second a cube, and this will be passed to s and c. Now here is the command print sc, so we will get the result output 9, okay, and 27. One is the square, one is the, means when user is passing value 3, then result will be 9, and one more result will be 27. So here value return can be literals, variable, expression in non-void function. This is the non-void function because we are returning something, and this could be literals also. Any literals we can use. Variables means if we will write a only or b something, so it will be the variables. Expression, here we have used expression. This is a kind of expression. So this could be used on non-void function. Okay.